Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about safety measures in roads. Traffic rules help protect us on the road as well as everyone else driving on the same road. Moreover, someone behind any bigger vehicle should also understand that there is limited visibility of the driver and they should not try to come in the way of such vehicles which can be dangerous for both parties. It is very important to be aware that road traffic injuries remain an important public health problem. When road safety products are utilized correctly or efficiently, they can help save lives, prevent accidents and injuries. Now, we are going to learn about safety measures in roads. Traffic signs. Traffic signs are there to regulate traffic, warn about hazards, and to guide the road users. Understanding traffic signs is essential. We should have a proper knowledge on traffic signs. The government has made it mandatory for a person who want to obtain driving license to be well versed with traffic signs. The traffic signs prevent undesirable risk posted on the roads, drivers and passengers in the vehicle. There are three types of traffic signs. First one is mandatory signs. Give order and need to be followed strictly. There are generally in circular in shape. Next one is cautionary signs. Warn the user regarding road situation ahead. There are generally in triangle shape. Informatory signs. Given information regarding direction, destination, etc. There are generally in rectangular shape. Importance of traffic signs. Traffic rules and signs are important because of the following reasons. Ensures smooth traffic as it informs the driver about the correct lanes to drive in it. Knowing traffic rules in India reduces a number of accidents by ensuring discipline of the roads. Provide instructions and information on the road conditions. These are essential in keeping the welfare of the public against accidents and other unexpected incidents. Hence, traffic signs are designed to warn people and potential dangers who providing important signs can be an essential component of business overall marketing strategies. Exterior signs help draw attention and differentiated landmarks and locations. Interior signs help customers locate merchandise, advertise a promotion, and can lead to impulse purchases when added a special displays with necessary information. Traffic signals. Traffic lights is signaling device that is positioned at road intersections. Pedestrian crossing to indicate when it is safe to drive, ride or walk using a universal color code. Red. This signal indicate to stop behind the stop line. Yellow. This signal indicates stop. Do not pass through or trot until green shows. If by mistake you are caught in yellow signal in the middle of a large road crossing, continue with care and do not accelerate with panic. Green. This signal indicates you may go if the way is clear. Steady green arrow signal. This signal may be provided in the addition to the full green signal. This indicates to proceed with a caution in the direction of arrow points. Flashing red signal. It means to come to complete stop. Proceed only when the way is clear. Flashing yellow signal, it indicates to slow down and proceed with caution. Traffic rules in India. The Motor Vehicle Act in 1988, passed by the Parliament, which came into force in 1989, is applicable to the whole of India. On one-way road, the driver should allow the overtaking vehicle through the right. Never park the vehicle in reverse on a one-way street. On a two-way road, the driver must drive on the left side of the road. It is mandatory for the driver to slow down at all any interjunctions and pedestrian crossing. Drivers should not use the horns in prohibited areas like hospital zones, school zones, etc. It is our responsibility to give way to emergency vehicles such as army convoy, fire engine and ambulance. Drivers should use high beam only when necessary. It is most to dim the light when there are oncoming vehicles or when driving closely behind another. When the driver is slowing down his vehicles, he has to raise the right arm and swing it up and down gently. Traffic rules in India. When the driver stopping his vehicle, he has to raise the arm vertically for the indication to other vehicles behind it. If the driver is turning right, he has to extend the arm straight out with the palm facing front. If the driver is turning left, he has to rotate the hand in the anti-clockwise direction. In case of emergency, the hazard indicator should be used, which will switch on both the indicators. On a two-wheeler, only one pillion riders is allowed. The horn should not sound really shrill, irritating or loud. Electronic horn is permitted. Parking vehicles in front of risk vehicles such as an ambulance, fire engines or a police vehicle is punishable by law, and the individual doing so has to pay fine. 304 of the Indian Penal Code, the police will file a criminal case under this section, which deals the offence relating death due to rashness and negligence of the drivers. Thank you, students.